Hindi na ako nag-AB3.
Ano lang turn ko? Play ko core reaction. Pitching tong dalawa. Tapos, ang effect nito sa start ng turn, destroy siya, tapos deal 4 arcane.
Okay. Next turn pa lang.
Next turn pa, sa start ng turn. Arsenal pass.
Okay.
May instant ka.
None.
Offer?
Game. Cut and carve, sharpen ko tong golden grail. So, +1 damage.
damage.
Tapos, dominate
Dominate, sure.
since may counter siya. Tapos, I'll attack for 4. Since wala naman wager, wala siyang +1.
4 pa lang.
Pero may floating akong 1.
Okay. Tagal mo yung last.
Ay,
Floating 1. Sige.
so that's gonna be 4 lang.
4. Gamitin ko ang effect ni Auxilio. Discard an instant. Draw. Pangit. No blocks.
No blocks. I'm gonna react.
Sige.
I'm gonna use the 1 resource
One
for
resource. Price
copy
Galea.
this. Tapos magkaka-wager to. So, +1. So, magiging 5. Tapos, since I wagered this chain link, I'm gonna take the upper hand. So, +3. It's gonna be
8.
8.
Tal?
Yun na lang, 8.
8.
So, 8.
8.
And, pag nanalo sa wager,
Gold ang creation.
dalawang gold since ability plus correct. It's dominate, so
Tama.
1 card.
Defense reaction ako. Absorb in Aether. Pitching. Stir. Isa pang absorb in Aether.
From hand yan,
From hand. So ito from Arsenal, ito from hand. So blocking 8.
gonna react.
Sige.
Since nag-play ka from hand, plus 3.
Plus 3. So 11.
11.
Sige. Take 3.
Tapos, I gain 2 gold since nanalo ako sa Galea, nanalo pa ako sa ability. And I will end my turn. Your turn, sir.
Start of turn. 4 arcane.
No blocks.
Take 4. 3, 4.
Yes.
Sa akin ko yung Garland. Gain a resource. Then, Volzor. Since may nasand na instant sa graveyard ko, Ampon. Strike twice. 4 arcane.
4K. May on-hit ba?
Wala. 4 lang siya.
I'll take 4.
Take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pass.
Check raise. Effect nito, if I next na mag-wager na attack ko, plus 4 damage. Tapos, I will go pop this. Tapos, I gain 1 resource.
Sure.
I'll use money or your life. Mag-wager tayo. Tapos, pag nanalo ka gold, I gain gold pag nanalo ako. So, wala na akong resource.
Saan galing? Sige. Tama.
Tapos, I'll pitch this. Tapos, I gain another plus 3. So, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tapos, since nag-wager, 11, 12, 13, 14, papa ko ng isang gold para free to. So, 14 damage. Tapos, wager, flurry, tapos gold.
14.
Yes.
Auxilio effect. Discard, flash mode. Draw card. Play ko Cosmic Suture. Pitching, Arcane Twining. 1 floating. Prevent the next 3. Tapos, Volzor, Amp. Pag may instant na nasan sa graveyard ko this turn, magdi-deal 1 arcane. So 2 arcane.
Take 2.
Take 2.
Since wala akong card sa kawan.
So preventing 3 to ngayon. 14. Ang laki niya na.
Pag nanalo ako, 2 gold ulit.
2 gold. Ito, anong ginagawa nito?
Flurry lang naman.
Flurry.
Pero useless
Pero-
pag napansin. Wala si Sir Sorry.
Sige, block. Prevent 3 lang.
Take
Take 11.
Okay. Grabe, big turn ata next turn So I
Down
gain
to
2
four.
gold.
Dalawang gold. Tapos may flurry ka.
Kunyari flurry to.
Okay, sige.
Pero useless man, ikaw ang gagamitin.
Sige, sige.
And end turn, your turn, sir. I will draw my cards.
Sorry, tap to. Malinis. 5. Arcane.
I will prevent 2, tapos I will create an agility token. So minus 3.
Effect nito, tap my hero, create a ponder. Tapos, end turn, ponder pops, draw. Arsenal.
Okay. My turn. Hindi ko ba nagamit? I'll go money where your mouth is. Tapos may 1 cost siya, so I will pay this. Next attack ko, magwe-wager na naman. Tapos pag nanalo, 2 gold since ability plus money
Okay.
where your mouth is. Tapos, I will attack for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. May popping 3 yung golden green. So I will deal 7.
1 card in hand.
1. No resource. No go again.
Ano?
Meron pa si agility. Meron pala ako agility.
Okay.
Stride na ngayon. Diyan.
Auxiliary effect. Discard. Draw. Seven.
May armor ka pa.
Block 9.
By the way, ask ka lang yung flurry, di ba?
Pwede ko matak ulit.
Pwede pa ako mag-attack. Tapos may agility kasi ako.
Yeah.
So,
So, wala. Tanggalin mo na ito.
I will react.
Sige.
Plus 3.
So, ilan na? 10?
Sa 10.
Take 1 ako.
Tapos I will attack again for 3 lang kasi wala namang wager. Kasi walang wager, so 3 lang.
Take
Up
1.
ko tong isa.
Take 1.
And your turn, sir.
Pass lang ulit.
Cut and carve, dominate.
Counter dun sa sword mo.
I'll pitch this, tapos edge ahead. Meron akong DOS. Sorry.
Na alin? So,
Floating. Sorry. So, may DOS pa ako. Wager tayo ng agility, tapos ito, dominate.
Okay.
Tapos I'll attack for 4 kasi, 5 kasi may wager. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lang.
8, tas 2 floating.
Yes, 2 floating. Up ko to kasi wala na akong gold sa
Auxilio. Discard. Draw. So, blocking 3 to right now. Ito, magkaka plus 3 pag wala akong card sa hand. Reactions ka.
Meron. Plus 1 lang. So,
Plus one.
yung line.
Ilan na? 9. Sige. May reactions rin ako. I will... amp ako with Volzor. Tapos before mag-resolve, play ko Constello Uplift. So, effect nito, untap a staff. Tapos pag may nasend na instant sa graveyard ko this turn, magdi-deal siyang 1 arcane. So, 1 arcane mo.
Prevent ko yung 1 arcane from the floating.
Tama.
Nalaro.
So, ito mag-ampon, tapos effect nito, untap. Tapos, tap ko ulit. So, amping 2. And then, play ko Flash Bolt. Pitching to. So, dealing 5 arcane.
Prevent 1.
Take 4. 2, 3, 4. Yup. Tapos, sorry, 1 floating ako. And then, ito magkaka-plus 3.
Kasi wala ka ng kamay.
Wala na akong cards in hand. So,
Wala ka ng kamay.
3, tas 9 yan. Destroy ko tong Voltic Vanguard. Since nag-play ako ng instant, pwede ko siya i-destroy. Tapos prevent the next 2. So, 8. Ay lang, may on-hit na. Pareho na.
Block lahat.
Blocking 6, tapos preventing 4. So, 10 total.
So wala akong gold.
No gold.
I will.
Pass lang ulit ako.
Pass ka.
May gagawin. May instant ka.
Sharpen Steel. Next lang ako plus 3.
Yup.
Next up an attack. Tapos, I'll just go Golden Veil. So, 6 lang siya. Pay ako ng DOS. So, it's gonna be 6 lang.
Sige.
2 cards in hand.
Celia. Score draw. Uplift. 2 arcane.
Prevent 2. Instant.
Prevent 2.
Tapos I gain agility.
Untap to. Contemplation. 2 arcane ulit.
2 arcane sa akin. Prevent 1, minus 1.
Sige. No blocks.
Holy shit, kala ko talo ako. Wala na akong attack. I finally beat him. Holy fuck, akala ko talo ako sa GG.
GG.
Holy shit, I was shaking.
Hindi ko yata na siya.